Looking to boost your Honda Goldwing's audio without hassle? These replacement speakers deliver a solid 30 watts of clear, bold sound, designed to fit perfectly and enhance your ride's audio experience. Whether you own a GL1500 or GL1800 model from 2001 to 2005, or the newer 2018 GL1800 front, these speakers are tailored to match your bike's specifications seamlessly. What sets these speakers apart is their durable plastic coating over the inner cones, making them more weather-resistant than the original factory units. That means you get longer-lasting performance, even when riding through rain or dust. Their compact size, 4.5 by 2 1/8, makes installation straightforward, fitting right into your bike's existing setup without any modifications. Many Goldwing owners have praised these speakers for their easy installation and factory-like sound quality. One user mentioned how they're a perfect drop-in replacement, working flawlessly right out of the box. Another highlighted the great price point, noting that the speakers fit just right and deliver sound quality that rivals the originals. If you're tired of dull or failing speakers on your Goldwing, this upgrade offers a simple solution that restores your bike's audio to its original clarity. The 3-ohm, one-way design focuses on mid-range frequencies, making music and announcements crisp and clear during your rides. Worth a look if you want to maintain your bike's authentic feel without compromising on sound quality. Plus, the added weather protection means you won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. Whether for daily rides or long trips, these speakers keep your audio sharp and reliable. If that's you, upgrading your Honda Goldwing speakers with this set is a smart move. They fit exactly like the originals, sound great, and come at a price that makes sense. Riders who've switched say they'd buy them again without hesitation. Ready for a straightforward upgrade that brings your Goldwing's sound back to life? These replacement speakers deliver dependable performance with minimal effort. Try them when you're ready to enjoy clearer, louder audio on every ride.